It's me, Jasmine, and today I thought I'd bring you guys a different type of video. I'm pretty sure I mentioned this once in some video before, but I am biracial. That means I am from two races put together, kind of like a smash up. So my dad is Irish and my mom is Indian, more specifically Punjabi. I'm kind of like a 2-in-1 combo. So that means I could be over here partying on St. Patrick's Day, or I could be over here like, so yeah, I'm 50% Irish, 50% Indian smashed together. I'm Indian, since I am 50% brown. A lot of people in the past have asked me for recipes. I myself am okay at making samosas, but my grandmother, my nanny, delicious. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys this video I made for all the people out there who've been asking me on how to make samosas. I hope you learned something new. I hope it was enjoyable. And if you got any questions, something I didn't really answer, make sure you comment down below what it is and I will answer it in the comment section down below. Alright, enjoy!
What is up, you Indian feasting people? Today we'll be learning on how to make samosas. Let's get started. So first you want to make your filling, and for your filling you are going to need 2 tablespoons of ginger, 2 spoons of garlic, 1 spoon of hot chili, 125 mils of peas, 1 big onion, 6 mashed potatoes, 2 spoons of salt, 2 spoons of garam masala. Before cooking any of your vegetables, you do want to put a bit of vegetable oil in your pot just to make sure everything goes smoothly. And then next you want to put your garlic in the pot first, and you want to let that cook for 1 to 2 minutes, at least until it darkens up. Next you want to put your ginger and your onion in, and you can let that cook for another 2 minutes. And then after that you can put the rest of the vegetables in, it doesn't really matter what order, and you can let it cook. And just remember, nobody wants raw vegetables in their samosas, cause they're nasty. Also, a little side note, this recipe is pretty flexible, so if you want to change, add, or take out some of the vegetables in this, you can. Next you want to start making your dough, and for your dough you're going to need 2 cups of flour, 1/4 of oil, 1 cup of water, and 1 spoon of salt. So you want to start off by making a well and putting your oil and your salt in there and then rubbing it together and making the dough all lumpy and clumpy. Then you want to slowly integrate water a bit at a time, not too much like I did here, and it should start forming the sticky dough. Feel free if you need to add more or less water to make the dough, you're welcome to change it, and it should end up looking like this. And then you want to take your dough and make small balls like this. And also make sure you are using lots of flour on the areas that you're working, trays you're using, and on the dough so it's not as sticky and it's easier to clean up. If you're done making your dough into balls, you want to roll it out with a rolling pin into small, circular, thin pieces. Once your dough is in thin circular pieces, you want to start forming it into the samosa shape, as shown here. So you want to fold it over once in half, and then you want to put a bit of water on the edge so it sticks. And then you want to fold the other side and stick them together. You also have to be very careful with the dough because you don't want to rip it. Then you open up the little pocket and you add stuffing. You don't want to add too much stuffing because it will tear. And then once you put your stuffing in, you're going to push it down with your fingers and kind of pull up the dough, but also making sure that you're not ripping it.
Then push the stuff inside. Then
once you're done that, bring up the 2 flappy pieces, put some water on them so they will stick, and then squeeze them together, finishing your samosa. Then you want to repeat that process over and over again until you're done with your filling, and usually there will be a little extra dough, but don't worry, there's tons of different recipes you can use for that. In fact, I will link some down in the description below. Then you can start deep frying your samosas. I'll have a link in the description on how to deep fry samosas, and if you also don't want to deep fry them, you can also bake them in the oven. And there you have it. You have officially just made your very own samosas. Congratulations!